Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing a Pikachu surprise fold. We're going to turn our paper over to the long side and we're going to start by folding it in half. Right around here. This will prepare us for our surprise fold. Once you're done with that, we're going to fold one half down. Let's say maybe a little bit below the middle mark. So right around here, we can start folding down. This will allow us to do our opening fold. So crease your folds, just give yourself a flat surface to work on. So now your piece of paper should open like this. Once you're done with that, we could draw our first thing. We're going to be drawing a Pokeball on the outside and then have a Pikachu on the inside. Let's actually turn it around so the flap opens down. We're going to start off with the Pokeball. Let's make it pretty big. So let's start on the left side around here and go around to this point. So let's mark a dot maybe right here. Let's start drawing our Pokeball. And then same thing, go all the way down to around this point and finish the circle. And make it as round as you can. Ooh, went in a little bit. Like so. Since it's a Pokeball, we need a little circle in the center. And another circle on the outside. This is going to be our black line. Let's fill this area in with black. Once you're done filling in that area, let's go onto either side and draw a black line across without going through the center on the bottom and top. And let's fill in the top and bottom. Fill in as much as you can. We'll fill in more once we open it up. That's looking good. Now we could fold it down and start drawing our Pikachu. Before we do that, let's add a little ledge. So we're gonna draw a line right above the crease. Make sure not to go below it. So right above the crease, draw a line, and let's just connect the black line across. For this one, draw a line right below the line and then connect the ball. This will be the bottom of the ball. And it should look like this. And when you close it, it should look like a regular ball. Now we have room to draw our Pikachu. And we could just draw a pretty decent sized Pikachu. Let's start off with the head right around the middle. Let's start right here and draw one side of the face, like so. And once you're done with that, move over to the right and then draw the other side. Right around here. With that done, let's draw on the top, leaving a little bit of space. And now we just need the ears. Let's go from this side, swoop up, swoop back down for one ear, and then the other side, swoop up, the other ear. Then Pikachu has these black areas for its ear, and we can fill those in. For the face, let's go around here and draw in a nice size circle for the eye on either side. Got a highlight. And maybe another one on the bottom. Let's fill in the rest with black. Once you're done with the eyes, we need a little nose. Let's do it right in the middle. It's going to be a little triangle. And then a W for the mouth. Starting from the eye right around here, we want to go down and back up. And let's give him a cute little smile. And for Pikachu's iconic cheek, we just need to add 2 decent sized circles on either side. I'll give you some time to finish up the face. And once you're ready to move forward, we need to just draw in the little arms. Let's start right here and draw a simple little line here and go down. And we're going to draw a second line like so. And let's give Pikachu 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same on the other side. 1, 2 lines first. And then 1 finger. 2, 3, 4, 5. Move in a little closer, and for the body, it's just gonna go down and down. Pikachu is missing its iconic tail, so we can add it right here. Draw a line up and down to meet the head. Down again. Let's start from here and do 1 zigzag. And connect it to the body. I believe he has a little design right here. And I think that's our Pikachu. Once you're done with all your line drawing, we could now color it. Grab your favorite markers and now let's color. Let's start off with the mouth real quick. And once you're done coloring, we could try out our surprise Pikachu fold. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give a like and subscribe. And you have suggestions for any other videos, please leave it in comments down below. And I'll see you in the next one.